Welcome to Rachel's Revamps. Thanks for checking out our DIY. Here's our material that you're going to need for this project. The material that I'll be using today is some bling wrap, some paint, a hot glue gun, a brooch, a feather, some pearls, and some lace. So I'm going to turn this old, ugly, outdated box that I had into something new. The first thing I did was I decided to paint the box pink. You can paint it whatever color you want, but that was just the color that I went with. The next thing I did was I found some lace fabric in an old sweater that I didn't wear no more, so I cut out the lace. Then I hot glued the lace to the outside and the inside of the box. After that, I used a mirror to cover the inside of the box. You can decorate it any way you like. You can use beads, pearls, you can use real rhinestones, you can even use flowers if you like, but get creative with it. Well, what do you think? This is the end result. I ended up using feathers and a brooch to finish it off, and I put a nice pattern on the front. I like the way that this project turned out, and it was super fun and easy to make. Tell us what you think in the comments below, or if you make one, can you post it for me? I'd love to see. If not, give me a thumbs up or subscribe. I would love to add you to my family of subscribers. We hope you enjoyed this DIY, and thank you for watching Rachel's Revamps. We'll see you again soon. Bye!